I just wanted to go over this one setting in the player that it affects where your pickups are going to work, your interactions. So let's say right now we've got a pretty like wide radius here, so we're not even that close to the box, and we can pick it up. So if we want to be closer into the box, like maybe you want it to be closer to the center of where your reticle is. We can change that setting. There's a setting we can change, but first I'm gonna add a hotspot to both the sphere and the box that we have in the scene. So let me add a hotspot. And we're going to change the mode to on interaction focus. And we're going to change the material. And then we want to set it a renderer material of self, which is this material here. And then on active, I have an active ball material, which is a green material. And then on inactive, we switch it back to the current material, and that'll switch it back. So I'm going to also put this on the box component. So we'll copy, and we can paste component as new, and we'll give it on inactive. It's more of a gray material, so I think surface is good. Close enough. And then, so now we'll be able to see when we can pick them up. So once the color changes, you'll be able to, you know where you can be. So yeah, you could be like off to the side here, and the pickup will still work because it's quite a large radius that it's set right now. So if we want it to be more centered, to pick it up, we need to change that setting. So let's take a look at that. So here in the player, under the motion controller, we have the interaction settings here. By default, it's set to near character. So the character is in a radius of 2 from the object, the interaction radius, and then the focus is near character. So that's why it's got such a large area where you can pick it up. So, but there's 2 other options here. There's screen center, which selects the element that's closest to the center of the screen, and screen cursor selects the element that's closest to the cursor on the screen. Screen cursor is more for like a point and click type game, and screen center would be better suited for a first-person game where you have the reticle in the center of the screen. So let's try putting it to screen center and the max distance of 0.5, so that you can control how much of a radius you have. So let's take a look at that. So now, when we approach here, it's lights up when closer to. So we can't be off to the side anymore, but you'll see it. You still don't have to be right on it. It's 0.5, so 0.5 around the box is where it will activate. So we can like lower that down as well. So the 0.5 around it. So let's try something smaller. If you do 0, it won't work at all. So let's just test that out. 0, you'd have to be pixel perfect on the very center, I guess, but I don't think it's really possible to do. See, now you can't pick it up at all. So 0 doesn't work. So what we want is like we can try 0.1. And that should be closer to just the, so now it's basically you have to be inside the object in order to pick it up now for it to activate. So let's see with this one. See, so that's a lot better for picking up objects in a first person setting. So I would recommend using the screen center if you want more accurate pickups like that. So that's it for this quick video, and next time I'm going to work on the user interface settings and the settings menu, I guess, and we will see you in the next one.